Okay, so these are our typical gantry plates right here. It's 4" by 1/4 inch. And the cool thing about these is everything we have right here mounts up right to it. Perfect. So this is the perfect solution, right? The only thing we just got to order a custom order from a guy in the UK, from Michael in the UK. And basically he wants to build this machine. This is an open source design that we released, right? So he wants to build this machine, but he wants it like way bigger. So we're gonna make special custom gantry plates for him for his big print bed. Basically, he wants to print. He wants to have a print bed at 600 millimeter cube. So 600 by 600 by 600 millimeter print area. This right here has a 650 by 350 by 350 print bed. So his is gonna be like way bigger. But these are going to be built down.
Oh yes.
Alright, so we've just got our first order, right? Of for the printer kit. Like we sold the first one, and I'll show you what it looks like. Santi, can you give me one of those? The c-carriage, yeah. Alright, so basically we're making these c-carriages, right? And this is just a clever little design. It's really low profile. It mounts to a linear rail to a lead screw driven machine. And I don't know, it works pretty well. It looks pretty slick. I like it. It's, you know, pretty low profile. And anyways, so it starts off like this. We're cutting it out of tubing. I'll show you. What the tubing looks like. So basically, we have a 12-foot bar of 2" by 4" tubing, right? 1/4 inch wall thickness, and it gets sawed down into chunks like this. The chunk's about this, about 2 1/4 long. Well, anyways, so we're gonna mill each of the face, this side. This is gonna get sawed off, and it's gonna get drilled and tapped holes in the end. But when it's finished, it's gonna look like pretty much like this. And a motor's gonna mount to one side, and then we're gonna have like an idler mount on the other side. But yeah, this is the first batch that we actually got for sale. So pretty excited about it.